Yo, what's up guys, it's Pi, the Crypto Pi, and today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin guys, because a lot has happened, right? A lot has happened. So you see all the lines I've drawn on the chart, right? We had this top here, obviously we have the all-time high, and we had this trend line down, but we also had this trend line up guys, and I honestly thought we would hold it, but we fell through, right? So we have to look at where we're going with this guys, right? And the people stating like 3k and stuff and 2.5k, take it with a grain of salt for now. We have a lot of levels to go through, right? We have a lot of levels to go through. So also, as you may notice here, the stochastic RSI is off here for now. I only have the RSI on, you know, just to give me less confusion about all these oscillations that are going on, right? Because right now that's not handy to have at all. So yeah, so let's talk about it guys, let's talk about it. So right, let's zoom in here on the 15-minute. Actually, this is very zoomed in, I know, but that's the only way to explain, right? So we had an ABC movement right down here, and it's still a C guys, so you know, and the fifth wave was hit, right? But after that we formed like a sort of triangle, right? Kind of formation. Look at this guys. So basically what happened here is, if we take the ABCDE here, right? So we had 5 A's down, right? But what if we had A, B, C, D, and then E, and then down, right? That is what happened here. So it's kind of unfortunate, but guys, right? So this bottom here, that bottomed out nicely, right? That's based on a lot of things. I mean, so if we take a Fibonacci extension here from this top, just get the top here, right around here, and we take that to the bottom here, and we take this to the top here, we have a one-to-one extension. Like we have a one-to-one extension guys, right? Does that mean? Well, that means we go one up again and then down again to 1.618, right? So we still have a wave down. So we still have a wave down guys, and I know you don't want to hear that, but that is what I'm seeing right now. So the thing I'm seeing right now is basically from here a 1, shallow 2, 3, 4 comes up into this one area but wicks, so that's fine, 4, and then a 5th somewhere down here, right? I mean, could it be down here? 1.618, that's 6.4, 6.5k, or is it gonna be a 1.272, 6.7? All these are areas, right? So I'll put them down here just to you know, to get that 6.5 out there, and we could definitely extend that all the way to 6k, because you see 2.272 is right down here. So you don't know where this 5th point is gonna be, but what we do know, if we take the 4 hour here, is that we have the low here, right, at nearly 6k. So that is a target guys, that is definitely a target. Well, the 1.618 isn't really that much of a target. I mean, it's kind of in the middle of nowhere. I have no clue what kind of volume was there either. I mean, I can turn on the volume for it guys, but okay, so I'm just gonna do it, right? But if you don't have TradingView Pro, so if you don't pay for it, you don't have this. So I go to indicators, volume profile, and it's called visible range, right? So when I have this guys, so right now you can see the volume where it was taking place based on what's on the chart right now, based on just what the candles are showing. Look, if I zoom out, it will give me more data, but I stay zoomed in like this for a reason, so we can see what kind of volume was here, right? At the 1.618, not really any good volume. So it's nice to buy when there's hardly anything. So right here at the 6k, see hardly anything, because that means a wick could come and then boom, back up, right? So that is basically how you can look at this. I mean, if we take it all the way here, yeah, like this, you can kind of see where the volume is, right? So we can see that at the 1.618 right here, that's a little bit of volume there, because we have this over here as well. So keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. Keep this area in mind. It's at the, that's actually where we are right now, right? And then when you get down here at the this low, what volume do we have here? It's a little lower, but then if you get to the 55, there's hardly any volume. So this could be another possible wick at 55, but that's as low as I want to go. I cannot go tell you guys like, yeah, 2k is gonna hit, right? I mean, that's just ridiculous. It's ridiculous. And let me get rid of this volume profile here again. I mean, we don't need that here right now. So right, it's just the more indicators you know, guys, the better, right? So sometimes you just want to look at other things as well. And yeah, just keep expanding your knowledge, guys. I only recently learned about the volume profile, and it's nice. Alright, so there we go. So 15 minutes. Right, this was 4 in my opinion. Now we're going for 5th down. And yeah, also I still have my EMAs on the chart, guys. And another thing I've been playing around with is VWAP. This volume weighted average, right? So it's based on the average, kind of like the EMA and the SMA, but it's based on volume. So it doesn't matter whether I change a time frame, it kind of always stays same. Look, 7371, and if that's on the 1 hour, and when I go to 15 minutes, 7377. So it's nearly the same. So you know, I just like to have that on as well. And yeah, so guys, that is pretty much it, right? And I mean, 1.618 is really my first target kind of here at 6.4, 6.5, 6.4, right around there. But more logical target will be 2.272, right? Because that is our double bottom right there. So yeah, we'll have to see where we go. And like I said, a wick to 55 wouldn't surprise me. So I'm prepared for that, and you just have to do what you do. And guys, please don't get liquidated, right? If you get liquidated, that means you don't have enough funds to average down. If you want to buy like counter trend, right? If you want to do counter trend, then it can go wrong horribly. Like today, it nearly went horribly wrong for me, but I kept buying, and eventually it came back to my break even, or really close to it anyhow. So you know, but you need to have capital and don't go in too big, and just small steps at a time in order to keep buying. And I thought it was going to be the bounce, but then I noticed this, like, right, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 5 down. So yeah, there's still a wave down in my opinion. But remember, this 5th wave can also be just like that, right? We don't know if it's gonna be a double bottom, or if it's gonna be a little higher, like a higher low, or if we actually go to 1.618 or the 2.272. So right, I mean, it's kind of a guessing game right now. You cannot predict this that much. All we know is that in the history we have 5 waves down, then we had the A, B, C, D, E, right, like a triangle, and we broke that. Then we broke through the support, and from there it just cascaded, right? It was just a waterfall. So yeah, that's pretty much where we're at right now, guys, and that's what we basically have to work with. So that's just my update on Bitcoin, guys. I think that after the ABCDE, we started a new 5 waves down, right? and that is perfectly fine in Elliott Wave because we have 5 waves. Then we had the ABCDE correction, and now we're just going back like further with the trend, right? This continuation pattern. So we just do 5 waves down again, and well, that 5th wave down puts me at 6465, but like I said, it's a more likely target to hit 6020. So right, that is pretty much where we're at, guys. And yeah, just stay cautious, guys, right? If you want to buy some altcoins, that's fine. Just buy at Fibonacci levels like the 618, 65, 0.5, whatever, of a bigger retracement, and just put your bids there. Don't put them higher after, you know. Just watch out, because this can get ugly. And right, but I'm definitely not gonna call for 2.5 or 4 or something, guys, because I'm also very well aware of, let's before we end this video, guys, let's take a look at the RSI. Alright, 4 hours way oversold here, 6 hours oversold, 12 hours getting to oversold, daily is not oversold yet, but soon will be. Right, 3-day, I mean, not oversold yet, but weekly obviously not oversold, because we're in an uptrend on the week, and that's cool. So, but yeah, guys, that's pretty much what I have to say about it. Also, if you're not in my Telegram yet, join up with the CryptoPies blog, where we talk among each other, where you can ask me any question, you can ask other people questions. I've been trading in here, ICO Moon Tracker is trading, so a lot of people trading, right? And it's just it's a cool chat box to be in, guys, a nice cryptocurrency chat box on Telegram. Also, join up with the CryptoPies feed, where I post all my videos and I post all my announcements. I post about upcoming ICOs. Right now, not so much, because, right, I mean, let's be honest here, guys. The market is very bearish, and when we're bearish, we can expect bearish returns, right? I'm not even gonna say consolidating at the moment, because this is just plain bearish, right? So yeah, you can expect bearish returns, but like I said, guys, all RSIs are oversold, so do expect a bounce at some point in the near future. But you know, don't go gambling on high leverage. I mean, I found that out the hard way myself today. Or yeah, but hey, guess what, guys? I mean, if you have enough funds on the platform, you can keep averaging, and at some point there will be a bounce. You know it as a trader, so I knew it, and the bounce came, and obviously it saves my ass, right? That's pretty much how it goes, and we all make mistakes, guys, and right? I just had to. I thought I could catch the bottom there. So, guys, one big thing that I know it, but you know, sometimes you just go against it, right? Do not trade against the trend. The trend is your friend, right? And I'll leave it with that, guys. So yeah, both telegrams will be in the description below, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, hit that post notification button, and if you got any questions at all, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.